Ready to unleash your child's creativity and laughter? Discover how to create funny kids' doodle stories without spending a dime. You've been asking, and we've been listening. The wait is over. Get ready to dive into the fun world of doodle stories. In this best faceless YouTube channel ideas video, I'll show you how to create funny doodle videos for kids and turn them into funny stories, all for 100% free. So, without further ado, let's start. How to start faceless YouTube channel with AI. First things first, you'll need a funny kids story. You can find one in a book, online, or even use ChatGPT. In fact, I've just asked ChatGPT to whip up a funny kids story for us. I'll include it in the description below. Watch as ChatGPT creates the complete story right before our eyes. Now that we have our complete story ready, it's time for the next step. This story is in English, but if you want to create your video in French or any other language, simply copy the script and use Google Translate. It's that easy. Great, you've got the script. Now you'll need a voiceover. For videos like these, my suggestion is to use your own voice if you plan to monetize. Since we're relying on AI for about 90% of the work, adding your own voiceover will help ensure it can be monetized. With the script and voiceover complete, it's time for the main event using Canva to bring our story to life. Now, let's jump into Canva. First, click on Create a Design and select the size of your video. I'll show you how to create it in a long format, but you can also make short videos using the same process. It's your choice. Here we go, our blank canvas is open and ready for some doodle magic. Next step, head over to the Apps section in the sidebar and search for Magic Media. Open the app, and a prompt box will appear. Choose the graphics option, and now it's time to add our image to this prompt box. Let's continue. Back in ChatGPT, copy the first line of the story it generated. This line introduces our characters, their age, and what they're up to. Paste this prompt into Magic Media, ensuring you're in the graphics section. From the bottom, select the hand-drawn style. Leave other options unchecked and click on Generate Graphic below. Let's see our doodle come to life. Time to pick the perfect doodle. Magic Media has generated 4 images for you. Choose the one you like and add it to your design. If you're not satisfied or want more options similar to a specific graphic, click on the 3 dots and select Generate More like this. Click on the desired image and it will be added to your design. Resize it to your liking and place it prominently on the page. Let's make this doodle shine. Get ready to unleash your creativity even further. Along with choosing the perfect doodle and resizing it, you can also customize the background color of your page. Pick any color you like and add it to your design. But wait, there's more. If you want to add extra elements like a garden, grass, lake, sky, sun, or birds, search for them in the Elements section and incorporate them into your design. Let your imagination run wild. Experiment with positions, sizes, and combinations to create a truly unique masterpiece. The sky's the limit. Let's keep the creativity flowing. Once the first page is set, add a new page and head back to the main page of Magic Media. Repeat the process of generating graphics for the second page. Once again, go to ChatGPT and copy the first line to reintroduce the main character. Paste it into the prompt box. Then, copy the next prompt from ChatGPT, but don't reveal too much of the next scene. Let's maintain that element of surprise. Let's keep the momentum going. Copy the main essence of the scene from ChatGPT and paste it here. Choose the hand-drawn style for the image, then click Generate. You'll get 4 images generated. If you want to maintain the same background settings throughout the video, simply duplicate the first page, delete the existing graphic, and add a new one. Keep adjusting the size and position of the graphics as needed. Fantastic! With the second page set, you're all set to repeat the process throughout the video. Keep copying text from ChatGPT and generating and adding graphics from Magic Media, and you'll have your entire design ready. If you feel like changing any background settings or adding extra elements along the way, feel free to do so. Let your creativity soar. Great job on creating all the pages and adding elements as needed. Now, let's download the design in PNG format. Remember, PNG format is essential for maintaining quality. If you're encountering limitations due to using Canva free, consider upgrading to Canva Pro to unlock additional features. You can purchase it from any seller for just $1. Let's download that masterpiece. Excellent. Once the file is downloaded, it'll come as a zip file due to multiple pages and images. You'll need to extract these files into a new folder for easier access. I've extracted all the files into a folder, and each image is numbered accordingly. Now let's use these images to craft our funny story doodle video. Let's wrap this up. Open Canva in a new window. Click on Create a Design and select the size of the long video since we've created the images in the same size. In the sidebar, head to Uploads and upload all your images extracted from the zip file and placed in a new folder. Once uploaded, drag the first image onto the canvas and set it on the first page, filling the full page. Add a new page, place the second image, then add another new page and place the third image. Repeat this process until all images are added to their respective pages. Keep the momentum going. Add new pages and images, ensuring they fill the full page. Once all images are added, head to Uploads in the sidebar and upload your audio file, the voiceover you've created using 11 Labs or Clipchamp. Remember, I've created a video about it, so you can watch it later for reference. With all images and audio uploaded, bring the cursor to the very beginning, click on the audio file, and add it here. Time to sync up the audio and video. After adding the voiceover, adjust the duration of each page to match the timing of your voiceover. You can increase or decrease the duration as needed to ensure that the audio and video are perfectly synced. I've already adjusted the timing of all the pages here according to the audio. Let's add the finishing touches. After adjusting the timing of each page, split the last 1 or 2 seconds of each page. This split portion will go to another page, just a quick split, you'll see why later. Now, head to the Apps section in the sidebar and search for Speed Painter, not Speed Paint. Open this app from here. In Speed Painter, you'll have the option to upload an image. Click on the first page and upload the image of your first scene, then place it on the timeline. Repeat this process for all images, placing them on the timeline accordingly. Let's bring our video to life with Speed Painter. Let's make those doodles come to life. In Speed Painter, set the sketch duration and color feed duration to 3 seconds each, since each scene is 5 seconds or less. You can adjust the duration according to your needs. Check the box for Add Sketching Hand Effect and click on Generate. It may take 1 to 2 minutes to generate the video, so please be patient. Once the video is generated, it will be automatically added to the design. Enlarge it and set it to full page. The duration of this page will increase slightly with the video. After adding the video, manually adjust it so that it stays in sync with the voiceover. Let's add those finishing touches. For the pages you split, add a transition between them. Apply the dissolve transition for smooth video continuity. Apply a dissolve transition between these two pages. Repeat this process. Now that YouTube channel ideas without showing your facet video is complete, you can download them in MP4 format. Before playing the Doodle final video, if you want to create a faceless channel from a 2Z Google algorithm setting. How to video post on YouTube with SEO, like title, description, tags, hashtags. Watch this Lofi video. For more Canva tutorials, comment Canva tutorials. If you have any questions or issues, feel free to comment or DM me. Here is final video.
Once upon a time in a sunny, cheerful town, there lived a boy named Mike who was 7 years old. Mike had a big, beautiful garden that was his very own kingdom. Every day after school, he would dash outside to explore and play, imagining himself as the ruler of a magical land. One bright afternoon, as Mike bounced out into his garden, he decided to embark on a grand adventure. With his trusty magnifying glass and his faithful stuffed bunny named Whiskers, he set off to discover the secrets hidden among the flowers and trees. First, Mike found a group of daffodils. "Look, Whiskers," he exclaimed. "These are like little yellow trumpets." He pretended to play a daffodil trumpet, making funny noises that sounded more like a duck quacking than a trumpet. Whiskers giggled silently, as stuffed bunnies do. Next, Mike stumbled upon a patch of tulips standing tall and proud. "These are like colorful lollipops," he said, pretending to lick one. "But yuck, they don't taste like candy at all." Mike's face scrunched up in pretend disgust, and he and Whiskers shared a good laugh. As he ventured further, Mike heard a chirping sound. He looked up and saw a bluebird singing merrily on a branch. "Hello, Mr. Bluebird," Mike called out. "Can you teach me your song?" He tried to mimic the bird's cheerful tune, but it came out more like a series of funny squeaks and squawks. The bluebird tilted its head, looking amused, as if it were laughing at Mike's efforts. Suddenly, Mike spotted a butterfly fluttering by, its wings a dazzling mix of blue and purple. "Wow, Whiskers, it's a fairy," Mike whispered. He chased after the butterfly, running in circles and nearly tripping over his own feet. The butterfly led him to a hidden corner of the garden where a bed of violets bloomed. "Fairy flowers," Mike gasped, plopping down to take a closer look. As the sun began to set, casting a golden glow over the garden, Mike and Whiskers sat under a big oak tree, tired but happy from their adventure. "Today, we found trumpet flowers, lollipop flowers, and even fairy flowers," Mike said with a yawn. "And we made new friends with a bluebird and a butterfly." Just then, Mike's mom called him in for dinner. "Time to come inside, Mike." Mike stood up, brushing the dirt off his knees. "Okay, Mom," he called back. Turning to Whiskers, he whispered, "Tomorrow, we'll discover even more magical things, I promise." With a big smile on his face, Mike headed inside, ready to dream about the next day's adventures in his...
Don't forget to share your thoughts and make sure to hit the subscribe button for more content. If you want to watch how I made AI Girlfriend with Talkie AI, Soulmate Character AI Alternative, Best Roleplay Apps, click on left. If you're interested in how to create viral TikTok videos with new AI generators and editing automation tools, click on right. Thank you for being part of this journey. Happy Learnify AI. Goodbye.